Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So today what I'll be doing is using the slab mold, and I'm going to be using 2 layers of In the Pot Swirl. So the bottom layer is going to be a hot pink, fluorescent pink, which will be Pretty Kitty from Mad Micas, and that looks bright. You can't really tell how bright it is with the camera. The camera just does not do it justice. So that'll be pink and white. And then the top layer will be Radioactive from Mad Micas. Nice fluorescent green. And there'll be textured layers, and I'm going to scent this with Brambleberry's Bali Breeze. It's really cold outside here in West Virginia. It's going to get really cold tonight, and I'm just wanting something springy and vibrant. So anyway, give me a minute to get set up, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back and we're ready. So we're going to start with our base color, which will be the hot pink and the white mixed in. And because this fragrance I know behaves really well, I'm going to just put the powder in and stick blend it in. So that should do. So let's give this a shot and see what it looks like. So I just put all the powder under the head of the stick blender, burp it, turn it on, and pull it up. And that's good. So let's do our white. Now this is TD that I do have mixed in hot water. Get a clean stick blender head for this one. Let's give it a mix first. And then the stick blender will really brighten that white up. Fragrance into this. Give that a stir, see how we're looking. And I know this fragrance behaves really well, so I can probably give this a quick hit. Yeah, it's actually breaking it up a little bit, making it a little too thin. Give this a quick hit. Actually, more than a quick hit because it behaves so well. And even with all that stick blending, it's still really fluid. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and put this in, but I think I'm going to let it sit for just a minute. Man, I think that's thick enough. It's thickened up enough. So let's get this into our mold. Okay, now I want to texture this, and as you can see, that is still really fluid, so that's going to have to set up for a while. So what I'll do is let that set up, and I'll go ahead and texture it, and I'll bring us back when I'm ready to pour the second layer. All right, now I have the top layer ready, and that fragrance is holding so well. It took so long for that bottom to set up, and it still didn't really set up as much as I'd like for it to have. But that's okay. So here we go with our top layer. And I like that top just like it is, so I'm not doing anything to it. I'm going to let it set up, and I'm going to spray some rubbing alcohol on it, but I'm done. So everything went really well. So I'll put this to bed and wrap it up and give it a nice good hot gel, and I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. Okay, let's cut this neon soap and see what we have. I tell you, these Mad Micah's neons are just the absolute best. What you're seeing on the screen doesn't really represent how vibrant this is. And let's just hope everything swirled like I was hoping. Oh, it did. Wow. Oh, it did. So let's get a few of these cut into bars and see what they look like. Yeah, very nice. So let's check out this other one too, see what we have. So yeah, these look great. I'm really happy with these, and I love that brambleberry fragrance. And that's what I have for this week. So thanks for watching, and I just hope you all stay safe and take good care of yourselves. And be blessed, and I'll see you next week. Bye, everybody.